In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient background color to your Squarespace website's pages using CSS. This technique can add a fresh and dynamic look to your pages, making them more visually appealing to your visitors. By following these straightforward steps, you'll quickly bring a splash of color to your Squarespace site without the need for extensive coding knowledge. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into Squarespace. Open your Squarespace account and locate the login button on the home page. Click on that to get started. Once you're on the login page, you'll have different options to access your account. If you prefer using Google, hitting the Continue with Google button is a simple and secure option. This method allows you to swiftly log in using your Google credentials without fussing over multiple usernames and passwords. After you're logged in, the next step is to find your website from the dashboard. Squarespace may display multiple projects if you manage several sites, so click on the specific website you're aiming to edit. This will take you to the main dashboard of your chosen website. Now that you're at your website dashboard, it's time to hover over to the Pages section. Click on Pages from the menu. This section is where all the magic happens in terms of page structure and content arrangement on your site. From there, navigate over to the Website Tools option. You will find it as you peruse the various settings and options available for customization. Next, look for the Custom CSS section within the Website Tools. Clicking on this will bring you to a page where you can input your custom CSS codes. This is a powerful feature within Squarespace, allowing you to tweak the style of your site beyond the inbuilt design settings. Now type in your CSS code for the gradient background. If you have a specific gradient in mind, you can use a tool to help you formulate the right CSS code, or you can utilize a basic linear or radial gradient to get started. Ensure that the syntax is correct to avoid any errors in rendering the colors. Once you've entered your desired CSS code, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the screen, and click it. By saving, you're confirming that the new gradient background should become live on your site. It ensures any visitor viewing your page enjoys the updated, vibrant look you've just created. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced your Squarespace website with a gorgeous gradient background. By leveraging custom CSS, you've not only expanded the visual appeal of your site, but also gained a bit more control over your web design. Make sure to regularly check how these changes reflect across different devices to ensure your site maintains a consistent and appealing appearance. Thank you for watching and happy designing.